Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. And today in the kitchen we're going to be making marzipan. Now this is a very old recipe, very straightforward, no mucking around. In fact, by the time you've driven to the supermarket to buy it, you can make it. And don't forget, your recipe is in the description. And also, if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. Anyway, we'll get right on with the video. And for your recipe, you want 181 grams of castor sugar, 181 grams of ground almonds, 28 grams of egg whites, and 22 grams of orange flower water. Right, we put our water and our egg white in, add in our sugar, add in our ground almonds. And all we're going to do is mix them until they all bind together. You can see it's already starting to bind together. And that is it. It's as simple as that. Well, all we need to do now, put a bit of icing sugar on the table, put our marzipan on, and just work it in. And there is your marzipan. Well, there you go, folks. Wasn't that nice and simple? Easy recipe. Now remember, all the ingredients you've got here in this marzipan is things you've used in your Christmas cake anyway. So it's that dead simple. And just remember, by the time you've driven to the supermarket, bought your marzipan and queued up, you could have made it and iced your cake at the same time. So this is a great big saving for you. Now we just leave this. At the moment it's still a little bit warm, but you can pop it in the fridge. The easiest thing to do is get yourself a plastic bag, put it in a plastic bag, or wrap it in paper, and then put some foil over it. And it'll keep there forever and a day. And if you want more recipes like this, and you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly in the Crazy Baker kitchen on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking, lifestyle, recipes, reviews, I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!